Hi family, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I hope everything is fine. I hope everything is moving on smoothly, and I pray by God's grace all your heart desires are fulfilled. So lately, some of you have been asking me how you can install a PayPal account. Some of you have been saying that even does not exist in our country, but PayPal exists in Uganda. So today I'm going to show you how you can install PayPal on your phone. So let's dive in. So you just go on your Google. By the way, you can also install PayPal using your Google Play Store, using your Play Store. But today I'm going to use a link. So you simply type in PayPal/UG, and it's already there. So you tap on this link up here. I'm going to show you how to install PayPal on your account, on your phone. So as you can see, they're trying to tell you open in the PayPal app. So that's what I said at the beginning of the video, that you can also use the Play Store and simply install PayPal app into your phone. But let me just use this link to show you guys how you can install it. So you sign up here, sign up for free. I'm sorry guys, my network is slightly slow, so they ask you to insert your email. So you insert your email, and guys, make sure all the information you put is correct, because this is where you receive your payments from. Those who use websites that pay through PayPal, you have to make sure your information is correct. Hey guys, my network is quite slow, but I hope we catch up. So next they will tell you to insert your phone number. This will help you when you're receiving a code that you will use. So I'm inserting my so the code is sent on that phone number you have just inserted right now. So 86. Sorry guys, my network is quite slow. So they tell you to create a password, a strong password by the way. So I'm going to create mine right here. I'm trying to form. I'm trying to form a password right here. So they ask you to insert a strong password by the way. And it has to be so that's my password right there. I'm not going to save it since I'm not going to use it. I am just showing you guys how it is done. So you enter your first name and your last name. You enter your date of birth. and confirm. I hope this video is helpful, guys. So they will ask you to insert your email address. So since I live in Kasangati, I'll just insert there. The address line too is optional, you can leave it out. So city, I'll put Kampala. Central region, then you put your postal code. Make sure it's correct, guys, and you agree to the terms and conditions and create account. By the way, guys, PayPal exists in, works with different banks in here in Uganda. There is Stanbic, there is Centenary, there is Equity, there is Diamond Trust Bank, there is Eco Bank, so there is Crane Bank. There are quite many and unlimited. There is also United Bank of Africa, so you can link all your cards from those banks I've listed there above, and use them to link your cards through PayPal. As you can see here, they're saying send money, pay someone back, or send money to friends and family. You can try it and see. As you can see, this is where you insert your card number. This is where you insert your card number. You insert the type of card you have, Visa, MasterCard, as you can see, as they have listed them here. Then you insert the expiry date right there. You put your security code, and this last one does not change. You leave it the way it is. Then you simply press link card. So guys, that's how you create a PayPal account, and I will make a video to show you. I'll make a live video showing you how you transfer money from PayPal to your bank account using your card. So since I've not put the direct information here, that's why my card, I cannot link the card, but that's how simply you can open up a PayPal account. And in order not to disturb yourself going back to the website, searching PayPal/UG, you can just click these three dots here up. You add the PayPal account on your home page. Simply like that, it will be added. As you can see here, mine is already here added. So instead of going back to the Google and search PayPal/UG, you just simply tap on the icon here, and straight you go to your PayPal account. So guys, I'll make a video showing you how you can transfer money from the PayPal account to the bank account. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. I appreciate all those who are pushing through. I appreciate all those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I appreciate everyone who is there, who is supporting me. And guys, thank you so much, and let's keep on pushing. Please share this. Please tell your friends to tell their friends to, everyone out there, please. Thank you for your support, and may God bless you. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.